Do you guys know this problem? You want to organize stuff a little bit better, so you decide to get a box for your shelf. You've already picked the exact spot where it should go, but the problem is your shelf has some really weird dimensions, which means no box actually fits. I had the exact same issue, and that's when I came up with this modular box. The cool thing is, you can adjust it to any size you want, in length, width and height. Basically, the box is made out of plastic side profiles that come in two parts, clamp and a main profile. You can easily 3D print these, which makes adjusting the height super easy. For the walls, I'm using cardboard panels, same for the reinforcement profiles. They are also cardboard and can be cut down with a knife in no time. And of course, the box is stackable, which makes it extra practical. Today, I'm gonna show you how to build this box step by step. Let's start with the side profiles and the reinforcement profiles. I've already cut the reinforcement parts, and now I just have to slide them into the slots of the profiles. You have to push them a little, because that gives them a nice and strong fit. With that done, the base frame is basically ready. Everything just slides together. Next, we need to prep the clamp profiles. For that, I have to add nuts inside. Doing it by hand with a screwdriver was kind of a pain. So now I'm using a power drill. That's way faster. But the whole process is still a little fiddly, but I've actually improved the design later on. I show you that in a bit. So now I've got all the nuts in place, 3 per clamp profile. Perfect. Now we can cut the side panels. These are made out of cardboard. I cut them to size with a utility knife and then slide them into the frame. Now we can attach the clamp profiles. For that we need 3 screws per corner. I just put the screws in loosely, because before tightening everything we need to double check that the box is straight. For that I just use a set square. Once that is done, I tighten the screws fully. And just like that, the box is finished. Super simple to put together. Let me know in the comments what you think about this design, or if you got any ideas for improvements. Actually, I did notice a design flaw. As you can see, the bottom isn't fixed, so it could fall out easily. I might need to add some corner holders to lock the base in place in all 4 corners. But other than that, the box fits perfectly in the space I designed it for. Still, I wanted to make the box even better. So I came up with this dovetail style solution. You can see the dovetails here. They slot right into these cutouts. That way I can just slide and clamp the whole thing together. No more screws needed. Just a quick push and it's done. The best part is, it's just as easy to take apart again if you want. Definitely a big improvement. So I also added these little ledges at the bottom. As you can see, they hold the base in place. That's now rock solid. No way it's falling out anymore. Alright, let's put the box together again. Just slide the clamp profile in from the top. And boom! The side panels are now locked in tight. That's it. The box is finished. So, what do you think? Personally, I like this version way better. Plus, assembling the whole thing is a lot faster now. And like I said, the bottom is finally fixed. I can even knock on the back and nothing moves. Super happy with that. Here are the holders, one in every corner, just like that. Since I've built 2 boxes already, let me show you how they stack. And yep, that's how they look on the shelf. I could have made some smaller boxes too, but right now I've got 2 in the same size. And as you can see, they are already packed to the top with cables. So there's quite a bit of weight inside, but the boxes handle it like a champ. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'd also love to hear your thoughts down in the comments. Until next time.